Hello, everybody. Just to recap, we were talking about pointers. We were talking about two problems that we have with pointers. We had the dangling pointer problem, we had the memory leak problem, and we were actually discussing last time which is probably the bigger of the two. If we had to solve one at the expense of the other, which one would you use and which one would you not? Now, before we go on, I just want to remind you the cost of pointers. What is actually the cost of using a pointer? So let's take a look at the following code that we've already seen. We've seen this code before, right? And we want to run it. So let's just run this thing and look at the assembly behind the scenes. And there we have it. So if we look at what's called direct addressing, we see that we're just using a one-liner. While if we use what's called an indirect addressing, which is pointer style, which is whether we use a reference or we use actual pointer, we're actually seeing that it's two lines of code. It's accessing the pointer and then using that to access the actual data. So the penalty of actually using a pointer is another additional referencing, which means that every access to data becomes double. Okay, that's pretty much the cost of using a pointer. And that cost will manifest itself soon when we'll talk about other things.